Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we have another video installing a high-end Lutron receptacle and a Lutron screwless cover. Here we go. As usual, we will remove the Romex insulation out of the cable with our handy dandy hook knife. I'm gonna move the camera back a little bit, apologize. There we go, it's better. Okay, and to make this work, we can just nick the Romex insulation out of the back, pull it, and it comes out, exposing the conductors. And then the back over there, I'm not sure if you can see, there is the ground screw right there. This is an ICF box. So we will mount that ground wire at the back of the box. We will wrap it clockwise. And tie it. Solid. We're out of the way. Then we will do our trick, making a fist and a thumb extended. That gives us 6 inches, just extending from the edge of the box, which is beautiful. There's plenty of wire. Then we will strip our wires. Trim a little bit our ground wire and make a loop with our wire strippers. We got our receptacle. We will proceed to ground our receptacle. And we'll use the drill just to speed the process a little bit up. Neutral into the neutral screw. Remember before we said it was the silver screw. And power into the brass or gold screw. Now we do our spring loop. Place the receptacle. I like just screwing a little bit first and then pushing it. Okay, now we can level it. This needs to come a little bit to the left from the top or to the right from the bottom. It's good. See the bubble? Afterwards, we will install a screwless plate. The ironically screwless plate that has 2 screws. Handy dandy Phillips screwdriver. And plate. If you see that it's sometimes leaning more towards one edge than the other, a trick that I like to use to square that away is to get a flathead screwdriver that will fit inside the ground right here, and then you just lever it a little bit, and there you go. It will straighten it up just fine. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, please leave it on the comment section. Have a great day.